America only respects you if you are powerful, and that's the reason the President of the United States, Donald J. Trump, is visiting China with Xi Jinping, making sure that their trade deals between the USA and China are more stronger because Donald Trump is saying that since the USA and China are the most powerful nations in the world, but obviously China is at number one. China is more powerful in every aspect, everything, like even trade, even the military is stronger. Like, even though the military in China hasn't been tested yet, but obviously the numbers speak for themselves. So now they're doing this summit. It's a 2-day summit. So Donald Trump is over there trying to figure out their deal. So because right now tariffs against America are very high at 30%. When goods are sent to China, it's 30% tariffs. But the biggest reason Donald Trump is visiting China is because of the zero tariffs from African countries to China. So there's zero tariffs. So any goods that are being imported, or rather exported, because I'm in Africa, they're being exported to China from Africa, it's zero tariffs. Like, we're paying literally nothing. And that's a bold power move. So even America can see that, yeah, man, at this point, they cannot really compete with Africa, like, or with China rather, when it comes to Africa. So Donald Trump basically has no choice but to visit China to make sure that maybe they can establish something. Maybe even America can get zero tariffs, which, like, I don't think that will ever happen, because I think this is due to the deal is because of Nvidia, because even Nvidia visited, even Elon Musk visited. So I think it has to do with mostly technology. As you know, BYD, the Chinese manufacturer that manufactures electric cars, is decimating Tesla in Europe. I mean, BYD, if it was allowed in the United States, it would take over. It's the same thing that happened to Huawei. When iPhone noticed that Huawei was taking over the American market, they made sure that they ban Huawei. So it's the same thing. BYD, I don't think they will be allowed in the United States because Elon Musk wouldn't survive if BYD actually entered the American market and actually offered stronger cars that have longer lasting batteries, better electric cars. So obviously now the United States has no choice but to go and beg, because this is like basically they are begging China to like do something for them, at least so that they can survive. So yeah, man, all you need to do as a country is you need to be more powerful than America at some point. Maybe your sector agriculturally, because in South Africa we have a strong agriculture. So we have a strong agriculture department. So obviously the United States is bound to